In this video, we are going to learn the rest types of doctor. This video is in continuation with part 1 of types of doctor. The link is in the I button. This video is part 2 of types of doctors. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. First one is gastroenterologist. Gastroenterologist is a doctor who deals with the digestive system of the human body. Next up in our list is a hepatologist. Hepatologist is a doctor who treats liver, gallbladder, biliary tree and pancreas related diseases. Next up is intensivist. This type of doctor specializes in critical care. Next up in our list is a geriatrician. A geriatrician is a doctor who treats older patients. Next up we have hyperbaric physician. Hyperbaric physician is a doctor who specializes in hyperbaric medicines. The next doctor in our list is internal medicine specialist. Internal medicine specialist is a doctor who specializes in non-surgical treatments. Next, nephrologist. Nephrologist is a doctor who deals with the urinary system of the human body. Next we have nuclear medicine specialist. Nuclear medicine specialist deals with radioactive medicine. Next up we have obstetrician. This type of doctor manage pregnancy, labor and childbirth. Next up we have gynecologist. Gynecologist is a doctor who deals with the female reproductive system. Next up we have an oncologist. An oncologist is a doctor who is involved in diagnosing, preventing and treating cancer. Next is orthopedic surgeon or orthopedist. This type of doctors deal with musculoskeletal system of the body. Next up we have otolaryngologist. This type of doctor treats disorders of the ear, nose and throat. Next up is osteopath. This type of doctors deals with osteopathic medicines. Next up we have palliative care specialist. This type of doctors are specialized in palliative therapies. Next is pathologist. Pathologist is a doctor who is specialized in pathological investigations. Next up we have perinatologist. They specializes in maternal fetal medicines. Next up we have periodontist. This type of doctors are concerned with oral health care. Next doctor in our list is pediatrician. This type of doctor treats infants, children, teenagers and young adults. Next up is a plastic surgeon. Plastic surgeon is a type of doctor who performs surgery that improves a person's outlook. Next one is a psychiatrist. This doctor deals with the mental disorders. Next up we have pulmonologist. Pulmonologist is a type of doctor that deals with the pulmonary system of the human body. Next up is radiologist. Radiologist is a type of doctor that is concerned with medical image techniques. It is rheumatologist. Rheumatologist is a doctor who is involved in the treatment of rheumatic diseases. Next one is urologist. Urologist is a doctor who is concerned with male and female urinary tract. Next up we have vascular surgeon. Vascular surgeon is a doctor who is concerned with medical and surgical treatment of the blood vessels. Last one, veterinarian. This type of doctors treat animals.